trigonometry tutorial. So let's do 3.2. If beta is in that element, determine beta without the use of a calculator for 7 marks. Let's go. Leave the left hand side, let's simplify the right hand side so that we reduce those angles to acute angles. So sine negative 300 degrees, that's a negative angle which is in the fourth quadrant, and according to the reduction formulas, that's going to be negative sine 300 degrees times cos 45. It's already acute, leave it as it is. This one we write it, it's a number greater than 360, so we write as 360 plus what, we add 45 here, and then we continue negative sine, this one we rewrite it as 360 degrees minus 60 degrees, which would give us this 300 degrees times cos 45, leave it as it is. Cool. Cos 360 plus 45, that's in the first quadrant where cos is positive, so it's positive cos 45. Cool. We continue. Negative sine 360 minus 60, that's in the fourth quadrant where sine is negative. Awesome. And then these two cancel. Still have our cos beta plus 80 degrees. Cos beta plus 80 degrees equals to, that's positive sine 60 degrees actually. So this is cos, this is sine. We need to convert this to cos so that we can then be able to find the general solution, and then use those general solutions to find the values that are within this range. So we need to convert this to cos, and that's going to be 60 degrees is equivalent to what, 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, right? So I'm going to rewrite 60 degrees as 90 minus 30. Okay, cos beta plus 80 degrees equals to, now what does this reduce to? It reduces to cos 30 degrees, because using 90 minus 30 is in the first quadrant, so there's going to be a positive result, but it changes to cos because of that 90. Okay, so now we've got cos here, cos here. Then we treat the one on the left, on the right hand side, as the reference angle. This angle, it could have been a combination of variables. Let's say it could have been this plus 2 beta, for example. I'm just giving an example. You'll also treat this as the reference angle, the one on the right hand side. Then we say, because this is positive, we look for the quadrants where cos, because we're dealing with cos here, the quadrants where cos is positive, and that will be what, the fourth quadrant and the first quadrant. So for our first quadrant, the angle on the left hand side equals to the reference angle plus k, 360 degrees. Okay, b equals to 30 minus 80, that's negative 50. This is our general solution. For quadrant 4, what do we say? We say beta plus 80 degrees equals to 360 degrees minus the reference angle plus k, 360 degrees. Therefore beta equals to what? 360 minus 80 minus 30, that's 250 degrees plus k, 360 degrees. Okay, then we're going to find values of what, of beta that are between negative 90 and 270. So already when k is 0, we've got negative 50, that qualifies. Let's start with that, negative 50 plus 360 times, let's say k is negative 1, we get negative 410, that's too big. If k is 0, we get negative 50, fine, that's one of the answers, negative 50 degrees. What if k is 1? We get 110 degrees, which is greater than 270 degrees. So we are done with this one. We go to the other equation, 250 times, let's say k is negative 2. We get negative 470. Nope. Negative 1, we get what? Negative 110 degrees. And then if k is 0, obviously we get 250 degrees, which is still within the range of what? Negative 90 to 270. And then if k is 1, 610, that's out of range. So this, the values are our solution. So negative 110 degrees, negative 50 degrees, and then positive 250 degrees. That's what the solution for this question is. Okay, we are done. If you've got any questions, please do feel free to ask.